Hello everyone, this is Swin Raghva.
And I am Shubham.
We are the student of BSc second year. So here, Shubham has prepared this Google form on the topic dominant and recessive epistasis. So the first question for this test is, in epistasis, the gene that masks the expression of another is called, the options are hypostatic gene, recessive gene, dominant gene or epistatic gene.
The answer is epistatic gene.
The second question is, which of the following phenotypic ratio is characteristics of recessive epistasis? The options are 15:1, 9:7, 9:3:4, 12:3:1.
The answer is C. 9:3:4.
The third question is, in mouse, agouti locus is hypostatic to pigment development locus if C is for pigment development and A is for agouti, and recessive alleles in agouti locus gives black color and recessive in pigment locus gives white color. What will be the phenotypic of A, C and A and small c? The answers will be
White and white, because there is a recessive epistasis take place.
okay. The fourth question is, epistasis is the interaction between dash genes. The options are 2, 4, 8 or 16.
The answer is 2 gene.
The fifth question for this Google form is, coat color in Labrador Retriever is controlled by epistasis. B species black pigment, B is for brown pigment which is recessive, and E locus determines the expression of B locus. Which one of the following is wrong?
The answer is A. B and E gives yellow.
Can you please explain this?
Because according to rule of recessive epistasis, at least one dominant allele at the E locus is needed for expression at small v locus. As in option small b, capital E give yellow, the capital E locus is dominant, so small b locus is expressed to give chocolate or brown color, not yellow color.
Okay, the sixth question is, dominant epistasis is a type of gene interaction where the options are, the effect of one gene is masked by the recessive allele of another gene, the effect of one gene is masked by the dominant allele of another gene, two dominant alleles at different loci are required for a single phenotype, a dominant allele masks the expression of allele at two different loci. The answer will be?
The answer is option D. A dominant allele masks the expression of alleles at two different loci.
Okay, the seventh question is, in which type of epistasis is the F2 generation phenotypic ratio modified from the standard 9:3:3:1? The options are dominant epistasis, recessive epistasis, duplicate recessive epistasis or all of the above.
The answer is all of the above, D.
The eighth question for this is, a dihybrid cross between two sweet pea plant with white flowers produce purple flower in the F1 generation. The F2 generation shows a 9:7 of purple to white flower. What type of epistasis is this likely an example of? The options are dominant epistasis, duplicate recessive epistasis, recessive epistasis, duplicate dominant epistasis.
The answer is option number B, duplicate recessive epistasis.
The ninth question is, in the context of gene interaction, the gene that is masked is called the epistatic gene, dominant gene, recessive gene or hypostatic gene. The answer will be?
Answer is D, hypostatic gene.
Okay. The last question for this MCQ test is, in a cross involving dominant epistasis, what is the F2 phenotypic ratio?
The answer is B, 12:3:1.
That's all for today's test.